Hi everyone, today I got this radio. I'm afraid there is something spilled on it, and all the screws are loose. So let's take it out and see what's wrong with it. Here it is. I'll try to put it back. I don't know whether it will work or not, because I'm afraid I think the ferrite rod is broken. I believe so. So it's here. There's a part missing here. I believe there was a poly. لون بكر مش هينفع. طيب نحاول نشوف بكر كده مثلا. طيب نحاول نشوف بكر هنا. We'll take this bullet and we'll try to make it bigger. Now the question is where we will solder the speaker's wires. We will solder them where the socket for headphones is. So here and there. Now I've plugged it in, you see, and we have two problems. First, the sound is very low because the speaker is torn. So I need to find a flat cold speaker like the one installed. And the second thing, we need to find a knob, a suitable knob for this. You have to make sure when picking up an adapter that the outside is the positive and the inside is the negative. Some radios are different. Some radios operate with the opposite, okay, with the reverse. The outside is the negative and the inside is the positive. Okay, anyway, we can alter the polarity from the adapter itself. I'll show you how. You see, there's also a switch and the adapter and the multi-voltage adapter where you can reverse the polarity. Here it is. This is the only knob I found. You see, it is okay. I'll use the epoxy adhesive. Here it is. Here the original speaker, as you see, it is torn. It's torn here. So we'll have to replace it. I found two speakers, but actually I don't know whether they will fit or not. Okay, because we want a flat coned speaker like this one. This is a half watt 8 ohms. This is 1 watt 8 ohms. So I don't know whether this one will fit or not. Let's try anyway. Okay, the sound is much better now, and the speaker fit. Okay, I will need to spray the volume control with the WD-40. Okay, because it makes some noise. And now time to restore it. This is my solution. We have to stir it very well before applying. We have to remove any excess solution with the blower.
كمان من الخدمة العامة، حتة الخدمة العامة ان انا لما اكل في الصينية احاول انظف ويا نعمته بالمصداق ويا خير خلق الله، ها نحن هنا نجتمع في ذكرى ميلادك. مايلسات بتردد 11,460 ميجا على هوتبيرد بتردد 1200 على شبكة الإنترنت. يتلو عليهم آياته ويزكيهم.
Please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment and like. See you on a new video with a new product. Bye for now.